Hello, it's Marvin Schufer. This is my flocking and processing assignment. Unfortunately, I'm having some issues with the QuickTime right now and the PDE file, so I use Screencast-O-Matic just to have something to upload to YouTube. But basically, the main three things I did was change the color from the original color to 510, 510, and I changed the speed from 0.04 to um, no, from 0.03 to 0.04. And let's see, I played with a few different things, and I changed the max force from 0.03 to 0.04, and I upgraded the speed to 5, so it's a little bit faster than it was. And this is what it looks like. You basically have them all. It kind of explodes like a firecracker, and then they're going in a mainly in a northeast direction, pretty much all going upwards and to the right. And then you have a few of them that look like they're going another direction, but they're all eventually, if you observe it for about a minute, they're all going up and to the right.